The Massage Office Chicks Points offers a versatile 6-point vibrating massage system that allows users to select from 5 different massage modes, effectively targeting areas such as the back, lumbar, or thighs, making it perfect for stress relief. An upgraded heating feature provides rapid warmth up to 130 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring comfort and alleviating back pain even during the coldest days. With its reclining ability, the chair can adjust between 90 and 160 degrees, along with a retractable footrest, offering users the perfect position for work, relaxation, or a quick nap. Designed for durability, this chair supports up to 400 pounds with a reinforced base and features an SGS-certified gas lift for smooth height adjustments. The high-density foam padding provides excellent support, ensuring prolonged comfort without discomfort, even during long hours of sitting. Installation is straightforward and can be completed by a single person in just 15 minutes, and it is backed by thoughtful after-sales support, including a 30-day return policy and a 1-year parts replacement guarantee.